Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman. So today we are going to see that how can we get access to the Google meeting recordings. So whether you are a student, whether you're a professional, whenever you are invited to join a Google Meet, or if you are inviting someone to join a Google Meet via using Google Calendar, you can record the meeting and you can access the meeting just by going to the Google Calendar. So let's say if you just log in into, so first of all you have to log in into your email. So let's say you got an meeting link, you have joined the meeting and the meeting has been recorded. So go to that particular date when the meeting happened. Let's say today's date is 6th of May, and today's date this meeting is happened, or the class is happened, the lecture is happened. Click on that particular invite, and if you see this, you will get this kind of pop-up. And in this pop-up you can see that there is one Google Drive symbol, and near to that Google Drive symbol you can see there is a recording meeting. So just click on that, and if the access is provided to you, you can play the video and you can start watching the recorded video. Now over here you can see, click if you see this file option, click on download option. You can download this video as well. You can share this video as well to other person. You can download it, click on this download option. So you can get this download page after clicking on that download option. So in this way you can get, the access of any meeting, so that in this way you can get access to any Google meeting which is recorded and which is shared to you via Google Calendar. So if you like the video, the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such